Hey there, smart buyers! Welcome back to another episode of Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make the smartest purchasing decisions. Today, we've got a showdown between two robotic warriors in the vacuum arena. On my left, we have the Lefant M210, the underdog with a small body but a big heart. And on my right, the heavyweight champion, the Roborock Q5 Max Plus. Let's see which one will suck the best. First up, let's talk dollars and cents. The Lefant M210 comes in at a cool $199. Perfect if you want to save some cash for, a weekend trip or a new pair of shoes. Meanwhile, the Roborock Q5 Max Plus is priced at $599. You could buy 3 Lefants for that price and still have money left for a pizza. So if you're ballin' on a budget, Lefant's your guy. Design time. The Lefant M210 is like the ninja of vacuums with its 11-inch diameter and 2.99-inch height. It can sneak under your furniture like it's on a covert mission. On the other hand, the Roborock Q5 Max Plus is a bit more, let's say, robust. It's got the stature of a sumo wrestler, but with the precision of a Swiss watch, thanks to its PreciSense LiDAR navigation system. It won't be hiding under your couch anytime soon, but it will map your house like a pro. Now, let's talk about what really sucks. Literally. The Lefant M210 has a strong digital motor with a unique brushless suction port. It's like the vacuum equivalent of a clean-shaven face. No hair entanglement. But the Roborock Q5 Max Plus? Oh boy, this beast has 5,500 PA Hyperforce suction power. It could probably suck the wrinkles off your grandma's face. Plus, it has a dual roller brush that minimizes tangling. So if power is your thing, Roborock is the Arnold Schwarzenegger of vacuums. Modes. The Lefant M210 offers 6 cleaning modes: auto, spot, edge, zigzag, scheduled, and manual. It's like the Swiss Army knife of vacuums. But remember, no zigzag on carpets, or you'll end up with a robot doing the cha-cha. The Roborock Q5 Max Plus doesn't boast as many modes, but who needs variety when you have sheer power and efficiency? It's like comparing a multi-tool to a sledgehammer. Battery life is crucial, especially if you have a mansion, or just hate charging things. The Lefant M210 can run up to 120 minutes on a single charge, which is pretty decent. But the Roborock Q5 Max Plus? This thing can go for a whopping 240 minutes. It's like the Energizer Bunny on steroids. So, if you want a vacuum that can clean while you're binging an entire season of Stranger Things, Roborock's your guy. Finally, let's talk smart features. The Lefant M210 has app and voice control through Alexa and Google Assistant. You can schedule cleanings, adjust suction, and even check the cleaning area. But be warned, make sure you're using the new Lefant app, not the old one. It's like switching from MySpace to Facebook. The Roborock Q5 Max Plus also offers app and voice control, but it goes a step further with compatibility with Apple Siri. So if you're an Apple fan, the Roborock might just be your new best friend. Both the Lefant M210 and Roborock Q5 Max Plus have received positive feedback from users. Reviewers find the Lefant M210 to be a cost-effective solution, especially good for pet owners and those with hard floors. However, it struggles with carpets and has occasional navigation issues. On the other hand, the Roborock Q5 Max Plus is praised for its powerful suction, efficient cleaning, and advanced smart features. It is highly recommended for those willing to invest more for superior performance and convenience. So there you have it, folks. The Lefant M210, the budget-friendly pet hair-sucking ninja, versus the Roborock Q5 Max Plus, the powerful, self-emptying juggernaut. Which one should you buy? Well, that depends on your needs and your wallet. Let us know in the comments which one you'd go for. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss a Buy Smart showdown. Until next time, keep buying smart. Product links are in the description.